Welcome, folks. If you're in the manufacturing industry and looking to revolutionize your operations, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how Odoo, with the expertise of O2B Technologies, can transform your manufacturing processes and boost your business efficiency. In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, staying ahead means having robust solutions that streamline operations, enhance productivity, and drive growth. This is where Odoo shines, a comprehensive suite designed to revolutionize the manufacturing sector. Why opt for Odoo in manufacturing? Integrated approach. Odoo centralizes all your operations, from inventory management and quality control to production planning and scheduling. This seamless integration eliminates data silos. Imagine having real-time data at your fingertips, all in one place. Customizable workflows. Odoo adapts to your unique manufacturing process, allowing you to customize workflows for greater efficiency and reduced waste. Real-time monitoring. Monitor production in real time to identify bottlenecks and make quick, informed decisions, ensuring high standards and fast turnaround times. Scalability. Odoo grows with your business. Whether you have a small workshop or a large facility, it scales to meet your needs. Flexible and adaptable, it evolves as you do. Cost efficiency. Odoo streamlines processes and reduces manual tasks, cutting costs and boosting profitability. It's a smart investment for your financial health. Why choose O2B Technologies as your Odoo partner? O2B Technologies is recognized as the best Odoo partner, providing unparalleled expertise and support to ensure you get the most out of Odoo. From implementation to customization, we've got you covered. Our team of experts works closely with you to tailor Odoo to your specific needs, ensuring a smooth transition and ongoing success. For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com. or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.